It was a bold move that surprised nearly everyone in its scale. In a daring, highly coordinated attack using pre-positioned drones launched from concealment in tractor trailers, Ukraine claimed to have damaged or destroyed approximately 41 Russian bombers and support aircraft. My name is James and I'm the curator at Libraero.com. Let's take a closer look at what aircraft Russia lost and the possible strategic impacts for the country, as well as the ongoing war with Ukraine. The Tu-95 is the workhorse of the Russian bomber fleet. A nuclear-capable subsonic strategic bomber and missile platform, the Bear was designed in the early 1950s by the Tupolev Design Bureau. Its long, slender fuselage, highly swept wings, and 4 distinctive contra-rotating turboprop engines are easily recognizable. The Tu-95 is capable of both internal and external stores carriage via pylons and rotary launchers, and has evolved with variants that include both maritime and reconnaissance roles, as well as versions specifically adapted to carry cruise missiles. It is a critical component of Russian nuclear deterrence and force projection. The Tu-22M is a twin-engine, supersonic, long-range strategic bomber designed and manufactured by the Tupolev Design Bureau. An evolution of the earlier Tu-22, the Tu-22M platform is largely conventional, though it includes a variable geometry swing wing, making it more aerodynamic for supersonic flight. The aircraft can carry weapons both internally and externally via pylons or rotary launcher. The bomber has also been adapted to perform in the maritime strike role and has undergone many upgrade and modernization efforts throughout its service life. First flying in 1969, the Tu-22M remains an effective bomber for Russia. A 2023 article from the Kiev Independent cited Ukrainian intelligence officials in making the claim that as of 2023, it was estimated that Russia had only 27 of this type in operable condition. The A-50 is an airborne early warning and control aircraft based on the Ilyushin IL-76 transport and manufactured by Beriev. A Soviet-origin aircraft, the A-50 is equipped with a 9-meter rotodome located atop the fuselage. Claimed performance is detection of aerial targets to 400 miles, with ground target detection to about 190 miles. The Vega M radar can track up to 150 targets simultaneously within 140 miles. The A-50 is a critical command and control aircraft for tracking, managing, and coordinating ground and aerial assets and threats. The aircraft mentioned are all critical assets for the Russian Air Forces, particularly for their role in offering strategic nuclear deterrence. If the claimed numbers of destroyed aircraft are correct, this would represent a significant blow to Russian strategic and tactical air power. Released video seems to validate and corroborate the claims of the types of aircraft that were struck, but actual numbers cannot be ascertained. To learn more about these aircraft and other systems being used in the Ukraine-Russia conflict, please visit us at www.libraero.com. And if you love aviation and aerospace history, please consider becoming a patron for access to more interesting and exclusive content. Relevant links for this video are included in the description. Thank you for your time and consideration, and we hope to see you again soon.